Hey everyone, just want to give you a quick update. Manny P and I are at the Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport. We are waiting for a plane to go to Ontario, California, so we're getting really excited here and catch up with you on the other side. Bam.
I'm here to party.
Where are you going? That was like a monster's pee and I went to there and you need a key. So I had to go take it out the counter.
Brandon, the art guy, was looking through the sales history and he was like, dude, some idiot from Minnesota bought this. Like, we were thinking like it was purchased on accident. Yeah! I have a mystery box for you. You have to open it with a sport though. You can open it with my Emerson, if you like.
Oh man!
Send me and your girlfriend and friends. We'll tell you what a great time we had. This thing is fabulous looking. It reminds me, okay, nobody's gonna understand what this is unless you're on Beam Reforms, but it reminds me of the wolf shirt on BSCOT. So if anyone's out there that's on Beam Reforms, what's up?
Order 66 is going to be executed in the last mission, so if you still feel game for it, I'll let you know what has to happen.
Okay. So we've been eating a lot here in California and realized we're a little bit out of shape for this game tonight. Luckily we were able to cram in a last minute workout session. Nice.
Hey bro, go for what you know. Base getting low.
Take a big old bite of that burger.
I'm not taking a big old bite of the burger because that'll get me on YouTube and I don't want it on YouTube.
Just a little bite.
Let me just take a picture of you to get a big old sucker double gulp burger.
Come on, a little lick on your burger.
Do a little lick. I don't want any of this on YouTube. Push it.
Straight across? Okay. How you doing? Moving up, moving up.